this is beautiful. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be unboxing my June Boxycharm, which I'm so excited about because I love unboxing, number one. And also, I love makeup, so win-win. Also, if you want to see makeup looks, product reviews, everything makeup, subscribe to this channel. But also, if you want to see this video, please keep watching. This is the box that I got in the mail. So I did notice with this Boxycharm this month, it was a lot of like skincare, less makeup products. So I'm gonna just be going through and using like basically what I can be using. So the theme of the box was Dare to Dazzle. Look at this nice little card, is really nice. And then it has, obviously, as we know, what is in the box. So the first thing that I got in the box was a love script, Your Body is a Temple, Worship It. This is a body wash. So I didn't even know they had body washes in these. It is a luxurious, super thick daily body cleanser, which creates an epic velvety foam with just a dollop. Put it directly onto your bath poof or pour into a bath for delicious velvety bubbles. The wild lavender fragrance will soothe and elevate your senses. Ooh. So this is $28 US. Ooh, it smells nice though. Oh no, I'm smelling nothing. Okay. Oh gosh. I'll be fine. It does smell nice though. That we can't use, so I'm going to try this on my body. Next, this is another product I cannot use, but it is the Glam Glow Super Cleanse Clearing Cream to Foam Cleanser. So this is the cleanser. I'll even pull it out of the package for you. So this is what the packaging looks like. This is a great brand too. It says an advanced cleanser with a powerful blend of 3 charcoals to detoxify skin by removing pore clogging debris, excess oil, and face makeup. So this retails for $32 US. I do know this is for an oily skin, which I do not have an oily skin. I might end up trying it, but honestly, I don't normally gravitate towards things that are like for oily skins, and I don't have super clogged pores. So this is not something I would gravitate towards normally, but this is really cool that they give you like a full, huge like cleanser in the box. But I will either try it out or give it to somebody with oily skin because I have a lot of friends and somebody might have it. Next we have Aceology Overnight Lip Mask. So this is what the packaging looks like. This I heard is really good. Like a lot of people who got this in their Boxycharms were like really excited about it because they said like it's very, very hydrating and it feels really nice on the lips. So this is the packaging. It's really nice. I like this. And it says the lip mask is here to give your lips that extra smoochable edge. The miracle worker will resurface your lips, boosting hydration and leaving them soft, supple, and smiling. This retails for $19 US. So I'm going to use this. I know I should use it overnight, which I will end up doing, but I'm going to use this while I do the rest of my makeup during this video. And then before I put my lipstick on, we'll see how soft my lips get, right? Why not? So it comes out as like a clear, like jelly kind of balm. So I'm just going to be applying that to my lips. Let's see what it smells like too. Ooh, that's a really nice smell. I don't know what that smell is, but it smells really nice. I think there's coconut in it. I don't know. So I'm going to apply that to my lips. She is thick, but that is okay. Ooh, feels nice on the lips. Already my lips feel soft and I haven't even really worn it that long. Anyway, so now I have 2 products left in the box, and these are the ones I can actually do something with. Next, I have the Pharmacy Honey Grail Ultra Hydrating Face Oil. So this is what the packaging looks like. A fast-absorbing, non-comedogenic face oil that delivers intense hydration and helps to smooth the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. This retails for $48 US, which that's amazing. Let's see how it says to use. Apply to your face or targeted areas of body as needed for intense moisture in AM and PM. Work through hair to help tame flyaways. Girl, I could use that as we can see all the flyaways. Blend with foundation for an added glow. So that is what I'm going to do with this. I'm just going to add it to my foundation today and we will see how my face feels. If it feels extra hydrated, let's see. Ooh, I love the packaging for the pharmacy products. They're so nice. Look at that. That's so nice. I am going to, I guess, mix that in with a little bit of my foundation. So all I have on my face, I did my eyebrows, obviously. I have the lip, what am I saying? I have the lip hydrating mask, and I'm going to be applying my Makeup Forever HD foundation. This is the shade Y225, and I'm going to mix this oil in with my foundation on my hand, and then apply it with my beauty sponge. Okay, one turned out to be a lot, so we are just going to add that in and hope this works out. So I added that to my foundation, so I'm just going to mix that together. I really hope this actually does something because I am very familiar with the Makeup Forever foundation, so I know how it looks normally. So I want to see some extra glowy on this face. It smells nice. I'm trying to think, like, I didn't even tell you guys what the smell was, but let me smell it. I smell like honey, which I guess kind of makes sense. I wonder if there's honey in it. That would make sense, right? Okay. Never mind. I'm seeing like extra glowiness on this face. You know what I should have done? I should have done half my face with the foundation and half my face with the glow. But whatever. I know like I said, I'm very familiar with this foundation, and I know when this foundation is like, I know what the normal finish looks like, and I would say that this is a lot more glowier than it normally looks. So I am back and I applied my blush, my bronzer, my concealer, so I'm ready to get back in business. So the next product that I got in the box is the Touch in Soul. This is the Glowdient Makeup Palette. I've never seen this before. If I could open it, it would be a dream. Okay, so let's see what this looks like. Ooh, I love a packaging that looks like it's painted like this. I live for what's happening right here. It is an advanced cleanser. Wait, no, wrong one. A multi-face palette with gorgeous gradient shades that uses your own natural beauty to glisten, bronze, and add the perfect flirty flush. This retails for $34, and it says new launch next to it, which is amazing. Ooh, look at that. I like this. So I'm going to use this as my highlighter, but I'm also going to use this on my eyes. We're going to use it as a highlighter first. So I'm going to take my highlighter brush, and I like that it has like a little mirror inside. That's always nice. And I like how it does this little like gradient. That's real cute. So I think I want to go into this second shade right here because your girl's really pale right now. So we are just going to dip into that shade and apply directly to the skin. Whoa. Okay, was this meant to be blinding? Cause, hello, I barely touched it. This is stunning. It's making my face look like, oh hey, huh. Like I'm just like, you know, that looks so pretty. This is beautiful. No, I will be adding this to my like daily routine. This is so good. But anyway, so we're gonna come back to this because we're gonna use it on the eyes too. But I decided because it has no mattes in the palette, which obviously makes sense, I wanna use a transition shade. So I'm gonna be using products from the actual boxes before. So first, I don't know what I dropped, but first I'm gonna go into these brushes that I had gotten from one of my other Boxycharms. This is the Beauty by Diva London. It's a Diva eye set. Oh, I love these. They're so cute and like orange. Then this also came in one of my boxes. This is the Natasha Denona Ayana. I don't know how to say that. And we're gonna start with the shade over here, which is Harlow, this shade here. So I'm going to apply that into my crease just to like really blend out everything that's gonna be going on the eye. These brushes are really rough. I wasn't expecting that. Next, I wanna go into the shade right over here, which is called, so this one is called Crease. That's accurate. So I'm going to apply that in the crease as well, just to deepen it up just a bit. There we are, we're getting somewhere. I know you don't need to see this because it isn't really part of my Boxycharm, but I want to do something for you guys because I didn't get a lot of makeup products in this one. So we're going to leave it like that. Now we're going to go back into our highlighting palette. I don't know, I'm kind of really feeling this like bronzy-ish shade right here, which I will never end up using on my actual face because I'm like pale. So I'm just going to go into that shade with a brush, and I'm going to apply that on the lid, just all over the lid. Yeah, there we are. We're just going to apply that lightly with a finger. This palette is going to become part of my daily life. I took a little bit of the lightest shade in the palette and I just put it in the inner corner just to brighten us up a little bit. I'm just gonna put a little under the eye with my finger as well. There we go. So now I'm just gonna throw in some mascara and I will be right back. So I am back and I applied the Ilia mascara, which I got a little sample of recently, and I'm obsessed with it because like look how nice my eyelashes look. This highlighter, I can't even handle how good it is. Like I put a little in my inner corner as well. This palette is so good. Like this is so good. This is going to my upstairs collection where I will be using it every day. I'm going to be taking off the lip mask. So I'm just going to take that off really quick. Honestly, my lips feel already a little bit softer. I'm going to wear it overnight to try it, but like they feel soft. So now I'm just going to apply a lipstick. This is another product I got from the Boxycharm in April. This is the Dominique Cosmetics Creamy Fill and Define Lip Liner. What a stupid shape. Where is my lipstick? There it is. All this glowiness is making me so happy. Hair's crazy. So I added my lipstick and my lip liner, and this is what my face looks like. I know a lot of these products weren't 100% from the box, but I used what I could. Let's add it up. Let's see how much this cost, this box. This is $32 US. This is $28, 19 US dollars, 48 US dollars. This retails for $34 US. So in total, this box equals to 161 US dollars. This is a lot of money. Like for the amount of money you pay for a box, like that's crazy. These boxes are so worth it for that. I mean, honestly, in today's box, I was a little like disappointed that there was more skincare than makeup, but the boxes before that I got were mostly makeup, so I can't really complain. But I have to say, like in a review of most of this box, like this hydrating oil was amazing. Like I can see it under my skin is already like very glowy. It's not the exact same look that I normally get from my Makeup Forever foundation. Like it's more like glowy, more like my face is definitely enhanced with glow. Like I can see it all over my face and it looks really pretty. It looks so nice. Like it's not overly glowy, but it's like perfectly glowy. And then obviously, as I said, the star in this box was this palette, which is amazing, which is making it upstairs to my personal collection because I really, really love this and I will continue to use this daily. And I love what it did for my eyes. Like my eyes look so pretty. I love how it just gives that little bronze on the eye. Like I love that it's universal. So this is amazing and I loved this box. If you like videos like this and you want to see more like it, please don't forget to subscribe and like and comment down below, or if you've used any of these products and you really like them and you want to tell me about them, I would love to hear. As always, guys, thank you for watching the video and I'll see you in the next one.